Hi friends, welcome my channel JM Express. So in this video we are review top 5 best Machinist motherboard set. Machinist's high quality aluminum alloy shell is corrosion resistant and durable, which can be used for a long time. Machinist Pro motherboard is designed to be easy to install and remove. The high quality materials make it more convenient to use. You can buy it with confidence. So let's get started our video.
Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.